Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video of JByte. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5G. When will 5G arrive in India and should you consider buying a 5G smartphone in today's date? So let's get started. So when will 5G come in India? So according to the Department of Telecommunication under the Communication Ministry, it has described that the 5G technology will come in India around at the end of 2021 or by the starting of the year 2022. The department has not specified which band will provide 5G in India. So at the first, when the 5G technology will come, it will be provided in some of the areas of India, not all over the India. But as the time passes, it will spread all over the India. So till date, we have to use the 4G, which is also a good option and very fast. So if the 5G arrives in India by the end of 2021 or by the start of 2022, everyone will not be able to consume it. So the truth is that 5G has not yet arrived in India. But there might be a question in your mind that then why is the smartphone brands launching 5G smartphones? The reason is that people are demanding for 5G smartphones even though there is no 5G available now. Now, even if you buy a 5G smartphone, you won't be able to use the 5G technology. It will work on 4G and you have to use 4G itself. So there is no sense in buying 5G smartphone now when the 4G is still going on. Now, there is also another big reason due to which you should not consider buying a 5G smartphone right now, because the Department of Telecommunication has not specified that which band is going to provide 5G in India. Hence, if you buy a smartphone which has A band for 5G, but the Ministry of Communication launches a B band for 5G, then you won't be able to use 5G even though the 5G is still available. So it's right that you don't buy a 5G smartphone right now. We should wait, have some patience, and when the 5G arrives in India, maybe by 2022 or 2023, then we should consider buying a 5G smartphone. But even after listening to these issues, if you still want a 5G smartphone, then I have another reason why you should not buy 5G smartphone right now. So when the first 5G smartphone came in the market, its price was 37,000, but now it has been reduced to 20,000. So if you wait a little bit more, then you will get a 5G smartphone in a price tag of around 10,000 to 15,000. So it will be benefit for you if you wait for some more years or months and then purchase a 5G smartphone. But after all, 4G is also a good band. It also provides a efficiently good speed and is also very fast. So if you are considering a 5G smartphone, then you should take a view on the points which I have shared. So these were some of the points which you should consider while purchasing a 5G smartphone. So if you're watching this video till now, thank you so much for being with me. Please hit a like to this video if you found this one interesting, and if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. So guys, see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye bye.